welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I just want to show a small TEMU order that I've put together, as I've said before, for my larger order. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, hope you enjoy the show. And just to kind of put it as a reminder, I am a TEMU affiliate, so you're going to see a quick little code appear right around here. And all you need to do with that code is you can search on the TEMU app or the TEMU website that it'll provide you either a discount code, usually it's around 30% if you're a returning user. If you're a new user, it does offer you some coupon bundles for any amount of whatever order you wish to do. And if any order is placed with this code, a small little commission comes back to me, which always goes back to the channel. Usually it always goes back. And that's how I'm able to show a lot more diamond paintings. How fast was that one? And so without further ado, let's get to the paintings. So I wanted to do kind of like, well, not a theme, well, sort of. I wanted to show lighthouses this time because I love lighthouses. I love a lot of things. I love wind turbines. I love rainbows. I love lighthouses. And I've seen some in real life, so I think the design of it and the history of them is just really, really wonderful. So I was really happy, oops, sorry about that, when I saw that there's a whole bunch of diamond paintings that are lighthouses. Now, unfortunately, I did not find a bunch of them. I thought I did have some, but when I purchased the order later on, I didn't notice that some of them ran out, and when that happens, the order doesn't move forward because it notices the item's not available. So this time I was able to get two, and the third one, it's not a lighthouse, but it has the sky. So it's the closest I could get to the theme. So yeah, sorry, the third one's such a random little image. So you would just remove it from the packet as you saw me do, unfurl it, and you'll see the diamond and the kit. And just in case you're new to diamond painting, the standard kit is always the tray, the wax, and the pen. And all you would do is press the pen to the wax, press it to the diamonds once you've already poured them in the tray, press them onto the painting, and voila, you're officially a diamond painter. And do not worry, in case it breaks or in case you lose it or misplace it, your next kit is always going to have one as well. They're always in them. And these are the diamonds. First one I saw was this yellow. Oh my goodness, that is such a pretty bright yellow. I really like that blue. And love that little peachy color in the orange. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, there's a really, really lime green on this side. Really love these colors, as you can probably see. Let me just make sure I can show them. Oh, they're so pretty. And this is the image. It is a really wonderful... It's more, to me, I believe it's more like a fantasy kind of lighthouse. I don't know the best way I could describe it. You can see the way that it's adorned, and then the light just showing brightly from the top of the tower and also in the background. I really loved when I saw this image, and to me it does. It looks really fantasy-like, just a little bit. I think it's the way that it's decorated that makes me think that way. I'm just picking up the plastic just to help it settle. As you probably see on the painting, there's a couple creases. They do settle if you put anything heavy on them. You can put a book or put them anywhere. I've heard some diamond painters actually put them under their mattress, which the weight does help settle it. So I've never done that, but I think I should do that with one of my larger ones. But myself, for this size, I have a portfolio, so I put them in there. It gets the creases out really well, so you'll start seeing them disappear. Settling the plastic cover actually helps as well. As you probably see, the creases are kind of disappearing a bit. Oh my goodness, I really love this image. It's so pretty, and it's real clear too. As you can see, it really shows the decal of everything, even the clouds, really brightly. I'm really surprised with how just clear it is. I love that. You can even see the little seagull back here. I didn't even notice it till I looked. And so some information about this painting. It is LW520, and it is a 30 by 40, and it is 20 colors. And for the legend, from the numbers 1 through 8, they're in numerical order, meaning 1 is 1, 2 is 2, and then from 9 to 20, they're all capital letters. and they're all in order. Oh, thank goodness, this is an easy legend. No symbols or anything. Makes it real simple, sorry, real simple when you paint. Oh my goodness, I'm really surprised at how clear it looks. That is so pretty. But just in case, I'm put a clear image here in the middle of the screen. You can see a little more clearly. It's a nice, really colorful, beautiful water tower. Watchtower. Why do you say water tower? Is more your style as well. So let me put this aside real quick. And this is the next painting. Now this one, I'll be honest, I saw the watchtower. Why do I keep thinking I'm saying it wrong, but I keep calling him a watchtower. And first I thought it was snow, but it's not snow. What's surrounding it is the background that's really, really white. And my apologies, I cannot find the end to open it. Oh, here we go. Sometimes it blends in really, really well, as you can see the glue. So sometimes I struggle a bit to locate it. But it is tightly packed, so I love that. That the painting, at least I know, will not get damage or any kind of effects to it. Ooh, I can even see the drill field is really glittery. You can probably catch it from the light. Sorry about that. And let me just unfurl it. And these are the diamonds and standard kit. And oh my goodness, the first color I saw was this really, really bright red, as you can see it here. Oh, I really like that. That is really, really bright. And the dark red is real nice too. I love the reds in this one. And a lot of dark gray colors, earthy tone a bit, as you can probably see in the middle. Oh, but these reds really surprise you. They're really pretty. Nice random little peach there. I don't know why, they always sneak in a peach in there, and it really helps highlight a lot of the darker colors. You can probably see some of the colors. Oh, I really like this one. And this is the paint. And pull it out. Oh no, it is snow. Why didn't I think it was snow? As you can see, it's a wonderful little watchtower with a little home and a barn, and there are mountains in the back, and with some trees, wonderful gray skyline, and I believe it looks like frozen water and snow underneath it. I don't know, I kept thinking it wasn't snow, but I think I might have been confusing it with another image. Then I pick up the plastic real quick. You probably are seeing the canvas is trying to furl back together, and let's see if I can help it settle a bit, just so we can see the image a little better. I love the little red house. When I first thought it was a barn, this larger one, but no, it's the house. The barn's on the other side. Ooh, that glue's really stuck there. And let me just settle a little bit. And there we go. Oh yeah, it's helping it a bit. I really love that house. It's so cute. You can see it. It's little red walls with lights through the windows, snow on the roof, and the little barn as well. It's so cute. This is such a cute image. I had seen what it looks like on the website, but I always, along with y'all, we're all surprised together how the image is going to look like. But I really like how this looks. And you can actually see the little details of the trees, that I'm sure those dark greens that I saw with the diamonds is what's going to highlight it. I really love that house. I think I might complete this one for when the holiday season start. I don't know, it makes me think of the holidays. I don't know why. I don't know. It just makes me think of that. It makes me smile when I look at it. And so some more information about the painting. It is LW516 and is a 40 by 30, and it is 23 colors. And the legend has all capitalized letters. Oh, thank goodness, no symbols. I love when it's all just one type, either all numbers, or all capital letters. Makes it so much easier to spot them once you're painting already. As you can see, this painting is more horizontal, so that's why the dimensions are a little bit different. I am going to complete this for the winter. It's so pretty. So probably around December, I might start this one. It is such, I don't know, it makes me think of Christmas. Or the holidays, to be more exact. It's not the snow, I just think it's the ambiance of it. It's just so pretty. Oh, I really love this image. And yeah, as well, I'll make sure to put a clear image here in the middle of the screen, so you can see this wonderful little tower with the little red house a little bit more clearly for you. Let me put them aside real quick. And this is the next painting. As I said, I really thought I had more watchtower paintings, but I'm just going to have to go back and find some more. I really do love them. Like, I love how they're designed, especially with the light on the top of the tower. It just feels so, so pretty, and I'm a big fan of that. So I picked a painting that kind of has a sky. And it has the moon, because the moon is actually light as well. So that's why I picked this one. And I love the moon, so I figured let me introduce this one as well. Same thing. Ooh, I just see it. Diamonds and the standard kit. As I said, they always find you. Oh, and this kit's a little bit more sturdier, so you can see the tray. It's a lot thicker. Sorry, the plastic is a little bit more thick. I haven't used these different trays. I need to try them out because they seem a little sturdier. And these are the diamonds. So it made me pause a bit because, as you can see, the diamonds are a little loose. As the other packets, as you saw, they're wrapped in plastic. But it's not an issue. Sorry, let me get that. What I usually do, and I actually learned this tip from another diamond painter I watched, he reuses the bag, which is, I never thought of that because I've gotten loose diamonds before. I used to put them in rubber bands, but after a while, rubber bands do age and they pop. That's just how rubber bands are. You could put them back in a little plastic, and then voila, your diamonds are all safe now. And I've lost this strip before from another painting, so when I saw this tip, I thought it was so, so smart. So, yeah, as you can see with all the diamonds, I love that mint green. That's the first color I saw. You can see it's a whole lot of blues. Really light blue, a light pink. I really like this. Ooh, that darker teal is a pretty color. I like that one a lot. I really love all these blue colors. Oh, big fan of that. And it's just a painting. So as I said, it's just a night sky with wonderful clouds, little mountain range at the bottom. Real simple and clean. Sorry, I couldn't resist saying that. And it's just so, so pretty. And to me, it just looks so peaceful. And that's why I really liked when I was looking for an image to put with the little watchtowers. This little sky made me think it would have been perfect to kind of show supposed theme that I'm trying to figure out. I do love the colors on it though. The light purples of the clouds, as you can probably see. And sorry, the painting is trying to curl up again, so that's settling the plastic. Let me just roll it up a bit. That actually helps settle it a bit more. So sorry about that if you hear the sound of the poor canvas. And there you go. That kind of helped a bit. Ooh, there we go. A lot better. Oh, it's so pretty. I love it. I love it. Blue is my favorite color, as some of y'all probably know. So I'm a big fan of the whole ambiance of it. I don't know. It's really relaxing, and I'm a big fan of all the colors. So some information about this painting. It is TM-DW2166 and is a 30 by 40 and has 24 colors. And so from the numbers 1 through 8, they're all in numerical order. And from the numbers 9 to 24, they're kind of mix and match. There are some capital letters, but there are some lowercase letters and 2 symbols. The plus and the equal symbol. And everything else is letters. It's so random when they do that. I'm actually working on a painting that has this kind of legend as well. It's a little bit random because since they have, let me see, where is it? Oh no, this one doesn't have it. My other painting has a lowercase h and a capital H, and sometimes it throws me off. Luckily, this legend doesn't have it like that. So I just have to keep an eye out when I'm working on this painting. Because it's so, so nice. I don't know, it's to me, I find it real relaxing. And as I said, I love the little purple highlights on the clouds. I believe it represents the moonlight hitting them. It's so pretty. And this painting does have assistant circles. I call them that. As you can probably see, if I can try to get them a little closer, the little circles around the symbols on the drill field, I call them assistant circles because it helps, especially if you're new to diamond painting, to help put the rounds, help them to keep them in a straight order. And I don't mind them at all. It actually helps me too, because every now and then I'm off. So if I see, I can see the line, I'll fix the diamonds and make sure they're lined up. I know some painters aren't fans of them, but I have no problems with them. I like them. And they're there to help you, so I don't see any issue with them at all. And this painting as well, I'll make sure to put a clear image here in the middle of the screen so you can see it a little better, just in case a little night sky is your favorite as well. So that's all I wanted to show today. As you can see, it's the diamonds in the kit. And as I said, I really wanted them all to be watchtowers, but I'm just going to have to do another order. Oh, and I just wanted to state, I do have a Facebook group. I haven't been too active on it because I've been fixing on it because I've never made a Facebook group from scratch before. So I've kind of got the hang of it. So I'm going to start posting a lot more updates, especially for any paintings, especially paintings I'm currently working on, so you can all see the progress going on. So you don't have to wait a whole week until I do, I don't know, let's say a whip and chat to see, ooh, how's that painting going? I want to be keeping you all in the loop, and I also want to see what else you all are working on as well. I would love to see any other kind of crafts or paintings or anything. Wax mold, for all I know. Anything you're interested in making, I would love to see that in the channel as well. You can just search on Facebook. It's under the same name, RoseKnit39. It'll show you the group, and once I receive the request, I'll approve it and allow y'all to be in it as well. I really kind of, want to make a little community, and Facebook groups are apparently the best way I can, get everyone together. And yeah, I just wanted to put that out there just in case y'all ever wanted to, share or, ask any questions or anything. The Facebook group will be there for you all as well. And yeah, if for any returning viewers, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, I just ask if you can do the usual. If you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. Really helps the channel to be put out there, and it really allows me the opportunity to show everyone these wonderful diamond paintings I love showing as well. And again, thank you for your time, and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.